I started this slat wall project design off by drawing my inspiration. I cut various lengths of wood and then arranged them on the floor in a random pattern. I sanded each piece of wood and then cleaned with mineral spirits before staining. I stained with aged beryl by Minwax. This is pine and it gives it a nice grayish tone with enhancing the brown of the wood. I used a coat of polyacrylic to seal the wood and kind of protect it. Now we're ready to hang. I use my brad nailer at the top. Both of those boards are flush against the ceiling, but also level. Ceilings aren't always level, so you need to check and make sure. Once those are level and in place, you can install the rest of the boards. I use liquid nails on the back of each board and also a spacing block. That spacing block is going to keep both sides in the right position as you go down. You can check level as you go and just ensure that you're not getting anything out of kilter on your way down. Those spacing blocks are also going to be the shelving that you can install. It's movable. It will stay in place as you move it around.